Hey, we're going over your grammar assignment for the week, and this week we're going to be reviewing pronouns. And I'm going to be reading each of the slides out loud to you, and we're going to be going over some of the questions so that you understand what the instructions are and what you have to do. And if you ever need to stop the video so that you can work out some of the problems, you can do that, and then you can start the video back up again. All right, so this first slide here is definitions, and you have to drag the answers to each question. So we have two questions. What is a pronoun, and why do we use pronouns? All right, then you have two options. Okay, you have to decide which definition goes with each question. All right, so we have pronouns help make sentences smoother, clearer, and easier to read, and words that replace a noun. All right, so which one of these tells us what a pronoun is, and which one of these tells us why we use pronouns? And then once you decide what it is, you're just going to click and then drag it to whichever box you think it is, okay? All right, I'm gonna put that back down here. All right, next slide. Sort it. Drag all pronouns on the right into the box on the left. All right, so our question is, what is a pronoun? And then we're going to have a list of words here, and you have to decide which ones are pronouns or not. Okay, so I'm going to read all of the words to you. She, page, I, us, monkey, they, jump, her, you, them, him, Danny, shake, your, we, it. All right, so I'm going to take she, and I'm going to think, is she a pronoun? Well, I know that if I was talking about Miss Whirl, I could say she instead of Miss Whirl, because Miss Whirl is a noun. She's a person, and I can use she to replace a noun. All right, so now that I know this is a pronoun, what I'm going to do is just click it and drag it over here, and that's all you have to do. All right, next slide. Which one? Write pronouns that can replace the noun in each picture. All right, so we have three pictures here. We have a boy sitting at a desk, and he has paper and a pencil and scissors and glue. And then we have a girl who is sitting here with a pencil and paper and scissors and glue. And then over here we have an apple. Okay, so if this is a boy, I know that's a noun. That's a person. So I might put, for this one, a pronoun I can use for a boy is he. Okay? All right, so that's what you're being asked to do for this one. So you go take each picture and you put possible pronouns underneath. All right, the next slide is find it. Identify the pronoun in each sentence and write it on the right-hand side. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each of these and read them out loud. And for the first one, we're going to do it together. All right, Zach is going with her to the park. Zach is going with her to the park. All right, so I know the pronoun in this sentence is her because it is replacing the name of a girl. You could say Zach is going with Miss Coleman to the park, but instead of saying Miss Coleman, it is saying her. So all you're going to do here is you are going to write her in that box. All right, so I'm going to go down to the next one. Does Jeff want to go to the mall with them? Does Jeff want to go to the mall with them? The next sentence. It is getting carried to the neighbor's house. It is getting carried to the neighbor's house. The next one. Yummy. He cooked dinner for the family. Yummy. He cooked dinner for the family. The next one, Sally drove to school with her. Sally drove to school with her. The next one, they added sugar to the hot chocolate. They added sugar to the hot chocolate. The next one, we bought a cake for Mike's birthday. We bought a cake for Mike's birthday. The next one, it is about a witch and princess. It is about a witch and princess. And this last one, oh no, she lost her purse. Oh no, she lost her purse. All right, and then this last slide is called Change It. Change the underlined word to the correct pronoun. So every sentence has a word that's underlined. You have to take that word or words and you have to change it and put a pronoun in its place. So let's do the first one. I gave it to Jenny. I gave it to Jenny. So I know that Jenny is a girl, so I can say I gave it to her. So I know the pronoun I'm going to use is her. And that's how you complete this section. All right, the next question says, David just arrived to the party. David just arrived to the party. The next one, did you bring the cake? Did you bring the cake? The next one, let's go to the zoo and look at the giraffe. Let's go to the zoo and look at the giraffe. The next one, Sally and Mark are dancing. Sally and Mark are dancing. The next one, Kelly and Zach are getting married. Kelly and Zach are getting married. The next one, Lewis is wearing a new outfit. Lewis is wearing a new outfit. And then the last one is the car is quite shiny. The car is quite shiny. All right, guys, and that is the last slide for this assignment. All right, do your best. I know you're all going to do great.